Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game has been launched at least once. This ensures files are present. Open Task Manager, find the game process, and right-click to choose Open File Location when available. This jumps you into the folder. If that option is missing, note the executable name and whether the game is from Steam, Epic, or Microsoft Store, because install paths differ. Once done, keep the launcher visible so you can cross-check files and permissions. Now you perform targeted searches. Use File Explorer and check Program Files and Program Files, x86, then users \username %\appdata\local and roaming for configs and saves. If Steam installed the game, open Steam Library, right-click the title, choose Manage, then browse local files to open the correct folder instantly. For Microsoft Store apps, you will need administrative access to view C/program files/Windows apps. Make sure to take ownership only when necessary. Make sure to note save vs install locations as you go. Finish by copying the full folder path into the address bar or create a desktop shortcut for fast access later. If you still cannot find the folder, open the game launcher and use its repair or verify option. Reinstall only as a last resort. Make sure antivirus or controlled folder access is not quarantining files. Adjust permissions or add exceptions if needed. If Explorer refuses to open Windows apps, run as admin and proceed cautiously. Contact support before changing system ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.